Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday Newsday.
Hello, Tuesday Newsday. I'm BJ. That is Hannah, and we are in the
Accessories and such.
Yeah, it's a good time. I need to do the song before I forget because I get a lot of requests for the "It's a Tuesday Newsday. It's a really good news day. It's a Tuesday Newsday at Missouri Star." Boop, boop, boop. All right.
How many times have you had to practice that to get it right?
Well, not enough, obviously. So anyway, an accessories shop is all of the accessories for building bags, and you see all the different patterns and everything that are here. All kinds of different shapes and sizes of bags and goodies. What do they call that? The sling bag. I think I need a sling bag in my life, huh? But they've got all kinds of fun things. We've got a lot of people coming in today. It's busy here in accessories. So come on in, everybody. But we'll come on down this way, Hannah, and check out some other things. So this shop has got all kinds of accessories. And on that wall over there, I don't know if you can see that or not, Hannah, but like if you're looking for, buckles and snaps and straps and all the things to make those bags.
Like there's some fake leather over there, I think.
We've got fake leather. We've got real leather.
Yes, we do.
Let me show you the real leather. But there's anything in that realm is what's going on in accessories. So you can really find, all the things, the Bosel, product for making those, rugs or the baskets, which are a lot of fun. Yeah, they're a lot of cool fun. Check this out back here. There's more goodies over on here. Here's some more hardware. You can see we've got a ton of it. And that other wall is loaded up with zippers and clasps. And these are like purse, what do you call those? Hasps? That's not right. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, you know what it is. But check this out. This is really cool. Can you see this, Hannah? Mm-hmm. I know I'm running around like a crazy person. But so this is part of Hometown Leather Goods, Leather Works, which is here inside the accessory shop. And you can come in and make stuff. Like these are things they've got that they've made. This is attached to the book. I didn't know they'd done that. But look at that. Isn't that fun? But they've you can get little patches. I think they've got like adhesive on them, and so you can do things. And they've also got just raw leather here. See that? Can you see that? That's just raw stamped leather. But then they use all these different pins. You see that? And then then you can end up like, decorating it and making it all,
color them up.
Making it all fancy. Isn't that fancy?
That's very nice.
That's very fancy. See, look at that.
These are so cute. I love the once upon a time there was a girl and like.
Oh yeah. Is that what you were looking at here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
That's so cute.
Yeah. So anyway, that's what's going on in here as well. Lots of little trinkets and whatnot. Oh, look at that. I need to put that on a hat because they do that. They sew things on hats and all sorts of fun stuff. But
sorry, that was kind of shiny. Let me show you right here.
Oh, it was too much of a glare?
It's too much of a glare, but it was cool. It was a pretty...
Kind of like my forehead. A little bit of...
Need some powder?
I need a little powder. But anyway, so accessories is a fun shop. And here's some more stuff over here. The Leather Works is fun. They've got coasters. Oh, and like I said, hats. What are these things? These are like leather... I don't know about, those are cool. Bracelets, bracelet cuffs, and they just have a ton of fun. Lots of things in here.
You can do earrings and some jewelry.
Yeah. So it's just it's a lot of cool things. And I'm telling you what, I guess it's like a chance of rain today, possibly. And so it was really humid yesterday, and this whole weekend was just. But hey, don't let that keep you from coming to see us, right?
No, yes. Just be sure to have lots of water, some cool clothes.
Cool clothes. Speaking of cool clothes, can you see that I have fish on here? Can you see the fish pattern in here?
Yes, I can see the fish pattern.
All right. A lot of people don't pick up on it right away. But
no, I love it. I think it's great. It's a great color on you, too.
Well, thank you. It's a standard issue dad shirt, So anyway, let me grab my tablet here real quick, and then we'll talk about some things. Excuse me. Where are you guys from?
I'm Houston, Texas.
Houston?
Manly, Iowa.
Yeah, Iowa. St. Louis. Nice. How about you guys? Where are you from?
Kansas City.
Kansas City. Nice. Well, thanks for coming to see us. You're going to be part of something special here, Anyway, but we got a lot of people. Well, there was the big quilt show down in Kansas City over the weekend.
Oh, that's right.
And so a lot of people on their way home, they come by and see us and enjoy all that is, right? Mm-hmm. So anyway, what do we got here going on? I do need to remember. I had to get a little cheater sheet because I always forget things, so apologize. We've got the What If series of tutorials that's coming out. That's Friday, right?
Yes.
And that is the antique lace. What If comes out on.
Oh, that's going to be fun. I love antique lace. It's such a beautiful pattern.
It is gorgeous. I love it. And your mom's teaching it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, obviously. So anyway, and also we've got the Sewing Down South episode 3. Have you been watching those? It's got my daughter, Misty. In case you didn't know, that's my daughter, Misty. I'm her dad. And so we've got the T-shirt embellishment is I guess the episode is what they're doing.
Fun.
So and so it's on the it's a T-shirt customization. But anyway, and you can see those episodes on our YouTube channel, right? On Missouri Star's YouTube channel. So
yes,
it's the Sewing Down South. Craig and Misty, they have a great time, and I don't know how many more episodes there are, but it's a lot of fun. So make sure you come and see us for that. And then last week we had Academy.
yeah.
And you were around at Academy.
I was.
I saw you. A lot of people saw you. They didn't know it was you.
Some of them knew it was me. Some of
Did
them
they?
came up and was like, "Hi, Hannah, how are you doing?" And I was like, "Hello."
Hello. And then you're like, oh, it's a talking duck. So yeah, Hannah dresses up in the Chuck costume and wanders around town. Was it hot? You were probably burning
It was hot, but there was a super sweet lady that lent me her neck fan when we did
nice.
the quilt walk, so it wasn't like sweltering that day. It was
Yeah.
super, super nice.
That's cool. But man, what a great turnout. I think we had about, well, I know there was about 400 people that were registered, and then I don't know how many more, we had a good, just, of people, because there was a lot of other things going on, even if you weren't in the classes. There was, all sorts of demos all over in the different shops, and I know everybody just had a great time. And so what a great turnout, and we appreciate all of that. It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
We had a good time for sure. Uh-oh, I lost my doggone it, Hannah. I don't know how to get this thing to work right. All right. So we had Missouri Star Academy upcoming retreats, and I think we're getting into a busy time. It's come and learn wool applique. Stacy West of Buttermilk Basin.
Yeah, that's going to be super fun.
That is in June 24th through the 27th. Also, Missy Carpenter of Traditional Primitives.
Okay.
She's going to do a retreat. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Remembering Martha Table Runner pattern using English paper piecing. That's in October. And then Julie Porter from the Farmhouse Collection, or Farmhouse Cottons, I'm sorry, will be teaching her pattern Pumpkin Palace.
Oh, cute.
And of course, that is in October. So anyway, you can go to our website. You can find it at Missouri Star. And it's like visit / semicolon MSQC events, and you'll find it anyway. But you'll find all the retreat info and all that there. But they're always a lot of fun. So if you get a chance to come and to see any of the retreats, we have a great time doing that. So other than that, I'm not sure what else. That was the things we had to talk about,
Yes.
Hannah. What else we got going on in the world?
No, I think you got everything.
Did you make it? I know. Do you follow that banana? What's that baseball team? That banana. The guys that play goofy baseball.
I don't know what that is.
What is that called? Savannah Bananas. I figured that was something you would have went to. They were in town a few weeks ago down in Kansas City. I thought,
oh, fun.
no, that just sounds like that had you written all over it. I figured you
no.
were all over it anyway. But anyway, I don't know what else is going on in town. I mean, it is going to be warm. It's it is a good time to come and see us. But just drink lots of water and check out all the shops upstairs, downstairs, and of course the new shop. We always, don't want to forget the market down there past the Subway restaurants. Just keep on going down there. So, other than that, what else? Is that it?
I think that's it.
It's a really good news day. It's a Tuesday news day. It's a Tuesday news day at Missouri Star. Boop, boop, boop. Have a good day.